Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the TNT Express. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Google, and after going to the Google, as you can see, you will be able to see the search bar here. So we have to search for the TNT Express website, and as you can see, here's the first website. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to open the link, and the link will be open. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now it's open. Now what we have to do, as you can see now the different types of options are provided here. If you want to check out time, track, ship, now these all options are provided here. As an option for the register. So if you want to get registered, so you have to click on the register option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the register option, so what we have to do, I'm going to accept this one. So as you can see, the business or the consumer. So I'm going to choose the consumer option. As you can see, access of the word possibly they have provided all information how it goes. And for the business section, they have also provided some different options. Is your company based? You have to choose the country that in which country your business is based, and then you have to provide the email address later on, and then you have to provide the new password here. You have to choose the password according to your need, and then as you can see, I'm going to write the random password here. You can write whatever you want, and let's write the password. So as you can see, I written the password, and now I'm going to accept this, and then simply we have to click on the create account. And after clicking on the create account, as you can see, you will get an email. So you have to verify that email. So we are going to the email section for the email verification. So as you can see, check your email to confirm registration. You have to go to the email section and you have to verify the email. You have to confirm that, and after that your account will be created. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create your account on the TNT Express. So see you guys in the next video.